Zimbabwean men and women have toxic gossip behavior. Fire! Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ropafadzo Dambire. I am your favorite YouTuber. And I am joined by the wonderful, the amazing Vanessa Cheryl Chidembo. Welcome, darling. It's good to have you back.
Ooh, it's
after
good to
such
be back.
a long time.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Oh, Corona, COVID, please. Babe, I should say I love your makeup and the hair. Like, it's like going hand in hand. I love it. I like colors.
I'm just experimenting. It's a phase. Color phase.
It's a color phase. Anyway, guys, this is where we talk a lot. So, without wasting time, today we're doing a Zimbabwean we're doing Unpopular Opinions Zim Edition, featuring a mukbang. I got ourselves. We bought zinger wings, and it's 6. So each and everyone has 6 of these zinger wings. And we've got Zimbabwean Mazoe Rasgwen. It is not wine.
It is not wine.
But it is beautiful.
It is a nice cold Zimbabwean.
Cheers. Cheers, baby. Ayo, you look in the eye, can my baby. Cheers. Saga, before we start wasting our time and your time, because we talk a lot, you know we talk a lot. Let's get into it. Saga, what do you have? What's the first your unpopular opinion? Oh, wait, so before we go further and detail, unpopular opinions are opinions which are not popular. But we're doing it for Zimbabwe only. Our opinions, which
you people think, yeah, it's cool. We vibe, most of you, but we're like, nah. Nah.
So those are our unpopular opinions. So let's get into it.
Okay. Probably gonna murder for this one. But my unpopular opinion. Zim Danzo. Go argue with your sister. I don't like Zim.
With your ancestor.
Exactly. Zim Danzo is overrated. I mean, it was good when it started, but now it just turned into rubbish. Right? It's just.
I don't remember Zim Danzo. You're talking about Soldier Life.
I
didn't even know the guys, before he died. I only knew one of his songs.
Anyways, Zim Danzo
for me,
overrated.
Honestly. Guys. This year, you can pass me by. My titi. You know, at first when she started comedy, it was fun.
It was nice.
It was, and my titi is fun. And then it got to a stage, now it's,
and she claims to have everyone's noobs in Zimbabwe, so I also agree.
My titi,
The next one, but truth be told, Sazarite.
How daro. You can't say that, guys. This girl saying Sadza does not do. Literal translation.
Wait,
I disagree. Taura.
Once there are no foodies, especially Chibagi. Besides that, guys, there are no pussies. I'm not going there. Check. Yeah, I'm going to share thread, Facebook thread. You know, you have to approve. And it's Chatter part 2. By the time you Chatter part 2, then I want to thread you on Facebook. You know, it's guys, Sadzaga. One coverage, Sadzaga. Instead, you could still pay ginger, energy. You go to know to cost to but bidirity.
You know, and all I actually going to say for my next one, Kuti Sadza, what did I write? I said, Sadza never disappoints. It is better than all sorts of pap. Sadza goes with anything. Where have you seen something that goes in African food that goes with anything and everything? Sadza, vegetables, chicken, beef, fish. You play, guys. And then after you're done, you feel full.
No.
I feel full. You feel full. You feel like you're satisfied. Firstly, I wouldn't have the time to cook Sadza in the morning when I'm going to church.
Sadza, harite.
Guys, these wings they're going down.
They're losing.
They're going down.
Unpopular opinion.
This is Zimbabwe. It's not Kadima Bonzo. Next one. Majority of Zim girls don't know how to dress or bath well. Guys, I'm here in Namibia. You can spot a Zimbabwean when you see it. Do you know on how you spot a Zimbabwean? A jean skirt, tennis, t-shirt. If it's not a jean skirt, it's a jean and pumps. But what pins are dressing? It's done. It's a done deal. And then it's bathing in general. We need to work on ourselves. The guy Pokeno that time, she said something along those lines. And people were like, hey. She was telling Pokeno, you are the one. You're a true queen. We stand a queen. She was telling the truth. But, take your time to look like us. Like, you see, we bath. Zimbabwean ladies will bath.
If you could smell us right now.
My dear.
Strawberries. Cherries. Together.
Next one,
most of them don't take care of themselves. Kungoti chero ndapfeka, chero ndaisa. Munhu styleawo so zvakanaka unozamise munhu wemusikana unoita unge 50-year-old.
Imagine
25 years.
Imagine.
I got pagats.
Need to fix us. So we are fixing the country.
Hallelujah. Unpopular opinions. Disrespectful aunties.
So is that it my
zinger? Vana mai nini na vana mai guru. Ka system. Toziye hedu kuti it's culture, it's Zimbabwean and stuff, it's African, but mind your business.
Mind your business.
Mind your business.
Mind your business.
Mind
your business.
Mind your business. This is the reason why some of my aunties are not invited to my wedding. You are uninvited.
Imagine they even go to the extent here, they send people and they can spy on you.
Exactly.
And your children are not even perfect. You leave your children to go and discipline other people's children. Why can't you fix? your house first.
Satatomboenda kuchildren tangene kuvarume
Okay, last one, guys. Last one. For me, it's how we come up with the craziest words. What is bolato? Kana kungwafa ngwafa. Hansi, I literally asked this other person, what in the KFC is that?
I actually hate bolato.
Bolato. What do you say? Bolato.
You use that word.
Can we stop coming up with those phrases and these crazy words? Half of the time they don't even mean anything. And we are creating them.
They don't even
Guava.
Especially bolato.
Bolato, guys, I don't believe it. Bolato. From where? How? Akashika.
Bolato.
But if Vanessa already says, she just really right here. Bolato.
Kwana iwe.
Kwana petunia. Kwana.
That chance didn't go. Look, ignore. Blocker. Bolato. Pew.
Cool, guys. Can we talk about how on social media we always have negative things to say? I've never seen a platform for. There are few actually where Zimbabweans build each other. Why Pokela is a picture yake? Irohure. Ko admit kuti she's looking nice, she's looking beautiful.
Urikufamba nayo here. Urikumabata here $100 every day. Wakazoitei chicha wakabuda nacho pane kushora munhu.
Aisa oningirikini picture yake. Whether akapfeka zvakanaka kana kuti zvakashata, you have something negative to say. You never have anything positive to say. Can we stop this culture, because
especially and most of them were cards. Those ones like how much Zim women got disrespect.
Imagine.
Like where as a country, as women, where are we going? You talk of women empowerment, hey, what, but we don't even empower ourselves, especially Zim women. Tinodzikisirana zvisingaite munhu akaisa picture yake pane kuti umukorete ungoti haiwa waedza hako but eyebrow rako razodai waedza hako but next time itakudai
matukirwo anoitwa munhu ipapo. Handi matukirwo unotozoshava kuti kocha ndanga ndichaisira picture racho, kocha ndanga ndambochiisira kozoitawo imimi vacho vanenge vatuku akudzidzi uyo adzoka next week akapfeka futi mapfekero akapfeka kudzidzawo kuti apa ndatukwa pamvenge handichaposta kana kuti kana ndiri kuposta ndiri beta. Wakudzoka futi wakapfeka the same things. Chinjawo man. Ndakazora muri mwegurupu ndakakaona kamwe kamusikana katukwa kadzoka ndini hauneti semunhu hauneti
totombotaura zviya
munoshamisa skana kushamisa chaiko.
Anyways, guys, so happy that we got to do this.
Anyway, guys, this is Chashka Kumagumo Echirongwa. We have come to the end of this show. Guys, to those who don't understand English, I'm sorry, there's not a single way that I can translate all of this to English. I'm not going to put subtitles. I am sorry. It is not going to happen. I do not even have the time to put subtitles.
But symbols,
yeah.
Because we want them to stop things.
There's some things whereby when you talk about these things in English, it loses its
doesn't hold, that doesn't hold substance. It doesn't have that.
I think you get what we're trying to say, hey? And it just doesn't have the same meaning anymore. So yeah, I think in the next video, or the next, because it's supposed to probably under this. Anyway, it's fine. I just in the other videos that if I do speak in Shona, I'll probably put subtitles. But for these ones, I'm sorry. My apologies. Anyway, guys, Vanessa, thank you so much for joining us. I love you. We love one another and praise the Lord. We love one another. I love you, baby. Thank you so much for joining us today. And guys, I love you. I appreciate you. Please share, subscribe. Guys, we're like on 470 something subscribers. Can we try at least by the end of this month to get to it's too fashion. 500. Just get me to 500, guys. Just get me to 500.
Like comments.
Exactly. Go fight with your father. Go fight with your ancestors. We said it. We said what we said. We are fixing the country like we said. Anyway, from us to you, we love you. Stay safe. Sanitize.
Wear your mask.
Anyway, sanitize. Wear your mask. Stay safe. Stay safe. Bye.